क्या कर रहे थे वो before she became a digital business owner?
हाय अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन माय नेम इज़ नाइला खान और मैं ओरिजिनली हैदराबाद इंडिया से हूँ एंड आई एम हियर इन टोरंटो कनाडा फॉर पास्ट 7 to 8 years. Yeah, so I am a mom of two kids. I have a 8 years old daughter and a 5 years old son. So yeah, I'm a stay at home mom. This business is just like कहते हैं ना कि like when my son was 4 years old, I was finding something for myself. ऐसा था कि बस अब बच्चे चले गए स्कूल को, अब आई नीड टू डू समथिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ. कभी इतना लाइक आफ्टर आई गॉट आई एम एक्चुअली a background of BSc microbiology and MBA in operation management, but I never got an opportunity to do job or something like that because shadi फिर like kids and all everything got stuck in that only. फिर जैसे मेरा बेटा थोड़ा सा बड़ा हुआ लेकिन I thought कि I will do something, but मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि I will do something online. मेरे
Right.
दिमाग में था कि आई विल डू गो इनटू टीचिंग. मैंने सब डिसाइड किया लाइक बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स मी टू बी विद द किड्स एंड विद द मतलब दोनों एक साथ मैनेज कर पाऊंगी. आई थॉट लाइक दैट एंड आई थॉट teaching would be a good option for me. But suddenly this came. It's like was then out of the blue this came into the business. It's my husband who introduced me to this business. Actually, he saw my coach's video. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि यू कैन डू दिस. इट्स लाइक मेरे को हमेशा होता था कि इफ आई एम डूइंग टीचिंग और इफ आई एम गोइंग स्टेपिंग आउट ऑफ द हाउस ऑल्सो आई वुड बी मिसिंग विद द किड्स. So that thing, keeping in the mind, he just introduced me to this business. So I'm very grateful कि मैंने ये business join किया because this not only helped me in every way possible, you can say. Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
Absolutely, Naila, and I think बहुत relatable, बहुत genuine, journey है आपकी भी, and I'm sure कि audiences में कई ऐसे parents, कई ऐसी moms होंगी who might have resonated with, the journey that you have had, where you did all of your academics, you did have dreams of pursuing a career, but then we have other things in lives also that goes on. So
Yeah.
you stepped beautifully into becoming a wife, and then of course you welcomed your kids. And we all know that after we become moms, that is a full-time responsibility. So it's not very
Yeah.
easy to keep juggling everything together, especially when you are in a country which is so far away from home country, right? जहाँ सब कुछ practically आपको ही करना पड़ता है. So Naila, that being said, जैसे आपने कहा, this business just came into your life. Your husband introduced you to the business, and you decided to go ahead and do it. फिर भी इतनी सिंपली आपने ये अपनी जर्नी हमें बताई है, लेकिन इसके पीछे आई एम श्योर एक अपनी एक स्टोरी रही होगी, राइट? कि देयर वाज समथिंग दैट वाज मोटिवेटिंग यू डिस्पाइट एंजॉयिंग योर रोल एज अ वाइफ, एज अ मॉम. कुछ तो ऐसा रहा होगा दैट वाज मोटिवेटिंग यू. तो क्या था आपका वो बिग व्हाई व्हिच एक्चुअली मेड यू से दैट आई थिंक टाइम आ गया, आई वांट टू डू समथिंग, एंड वो यही बिजनेस होगा?
Yeah, it's just that the freedom which this business gives us, first important thing, like जैसे कि the support, हर चीज इतना मतलब like we don't have to spend at most time over here. जैसे कि usually होता है कि if anybody is working from home also, they
Yeah.
have to set the specific time period to do this part of thing. But यहाँ पे ऐसा होता नहीं है. We can manage it. It's by ourselves. That's the beauty of this business. मुझे first thing वही attract किया था. Like when I have a call with my coach, the first coaching call, I was unable to talk also. It's my husband who helped me out. He spoke and everything happened because I was so shy.
Yeah.
I'm so shy to talk with people and all. And that shyness, that has been reduced coming over here. I have learned so many things. And second thing is, my main important thing is the timings. I
Yeah.
don't have to, I don't want to do it today if I'm sick, if my kids are sick, if I have some appointments, I can just skip for today and I can just do it tomorrow. There's not necessary कि मुझे अब ये करना है तो ये करना है. That is the good thing about this business.
So true, Naila, and I think that is, ये जो दो चीजें हैं आपने जो highlight की हैं about having that flexibility, having that time freedom, and the ability to make your own choice. These sound like very beautiful words, but technically, if you break it down on a day-to-day basis, these are like so important, especially for moms, especially for parents, and when you have kids, right? Because कई बार होता है हमने day एक तरह से plan किया होता है, and then God forbid there is something else that has happened which we moms did not anticipate. But when you have a business that's your own, you know that you don't have to worry about कि अब क्या होगा business का. You know that you can parallelly do it the moment you have settled things at home. a very very strong why, Naila, I must say, and I'm sure इसने काफी लोगों के इमोशंस को भी टच किया होगा इस पॉइंट ने. बट नाइला, थोड़ा सा तो आप हमें बता ही चुकी हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं आपके हस्बैंड का बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट रहा है व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस जर्नी. बट हम थोड़ा सा और जानना चाहेंगे नाइला, बिकॉज व्हेन वी स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, ये एक जॉब एक्सेप्ट करने से ज्यादा बड़ा डिसीजन होता है, राइट? बिकॉज व्हेन वी हैव अ जॉब ऑफर दैट कम्स टू अस, तो कई बार इवन इफ वी डोंट हैव एवरीबडी सपोर्टिंग अस और एवरीबडी ऑन बोर्ड, फिर भी चल जाता है, बिकॉज यू टेक दैट डिसीजन एंड इन केस इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट, यू क्विट, यू लुक फॉर अनदर अपॉर्चुनिटी. बट जब एक बिजनेस जैसा डिसीजन आप लेते हैं, स्पेशली इन अ डिजिटल स्पेस, विद ऑल द स्केप्टिसिज्म दैट कम्स विद बीइंग ऑनलाइन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, तो सपोर्ट आई थिंक बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, राइट? तो हम जरूर जानना चाहेंगे नाइला कि आपने जब ये डिसीजन लिया, तो आपका सपोर्ट सिस्टम कौन थे, और अब जब आप एक डिजिटल बिजनेस ओनर बन गई हैं, अपनी जर्नी को इतनी ब्यूटीफुली ले जा रही हैं, तो कौन है जो आपको अभी भी कॉन्स्टेंटली सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आपके लिए चीयर कर रहे हैं? प्लीज हमारे साथ शेयर करिए.
For me right now, I can say it's like from the first day one to a my husband is there, and over to that I got beautiful friends in this community. Because me being an introvert, I never speak to people openly.
Yeah.
Like जाके किसी से बात करना was my not my thing. I never have that confidence to talk to people because being a stay-at-home mom, एक ही like एक circle होता है, kids, house and this. We don't have that much big circle. Like usually लोग जो job करते हैं and they have a that. It's just the family around. But after joining the business especially, I learned so many things. मेरा confidence boost up हुआ. Like when I am feeling like dull, I just call anybody and I randomly talk to them, and it gets me that boost, that thing to start it again and think in with a fresh mind.
Yeah.
So वो support जो business में हमें है, like being, I made so beautiful friends in this business. Like I can call them, I can message them anytime, and they are there. There's not it. We just don't talk about business. We talk about everything, and I feel so lucky to do that, to join this business. मतलब कहते हैं कि like community, like business, usually when we go for jobs also, there is only the environment where we don't be that much free, but here ऐसा नहीं है. Like we talk about everything, business and personal things also. There's so many things we do it, and this feels very good. That is the thing that helped me a lot. Like mera confidence, the way I'm sitting and talking right now also, it was very difficult for me, but now I learned slowly, and this changed me a lot. Anybody, like my people, whoever is watching right now, like जो भी मुझे नहीं जान, जो they know me, who know me very nicely, they know that Naila is not like this. They know very nicely I am not like this. I cannot sit and talk so nicely with anybody. I'm very quiet and shy person.
My God, Naila, I think, by answering that question, you have touched on so many points. Firstly, of course, it's amazing to have support back home because, family is always family, right? So, जब family का आपको वो support मिल जाता है, वो unconditional backing मिल जाती है, तो that is, I think, another level of confidence, another level of, positivity जो आपके अंदर आ ही गई है because family is there. एंड देन एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट आई थिंक हम सबकी लाइफ का होता है हमारे फ्रेंड्स, द सोशल सर्कल दैट वी बिल्ड. एंड आई थिंक मैं अपने बिजनेस पे, अपने पेजेस पे अक्सर अपने ऑडियंसेस को भी बताती हूँ दैट वी आर नॉट अलोन. एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ग्लोबल फैमिली मिल जाती है जब आप ये बिजनेस करते हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस्ड, फाउंड सम अमेजिंग पीपल. एंड आई कैन सी दैट आप जैसे मुझे बता रही हैं नाइला, मैं तो नहीं बिलीव करती कि अगर आप मुझे बताने वाली हैं कि मैं पहले बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट थी, बात नहीं करती हूँ, बिकॉज मैंने इसी नाइला को देखा है इस बिजनेस में. एंड इट्स अमेजिंग टू सी कि कैसे वो not only the business but the friendships that you have found here have also helped you find or rediscover yourself in a new way. So that is beautiful.
The beauty of this, one more thing, is that the things which I never know I was having that in me. I never ever think कि अरे हाँ मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, but that I came out in me. I don't know, it was there, but this business has got me some other point of view, other part of me that has been shown to me. I was never ever known that Arey, haan, I can do this, I know this. No, I was every time in a one box doing this. I know this much only, but yeah, things have changed now, alhamdulillah.
That is beautiful. And yes, of course, we are grateful to God that we found this business at the right time. It is a blessing in our lives. Because जैसे हम हमेशा कहते हैं नाला, and I keep telling my audiences, in addition to the fact that we are building something of our own, it is a business, it is a journey, and of course, it's going to be a legacy for our family, for our kids. But uske saath saath, on a day-to-day basis, Bina Naila, this business has given each one of us so much. थिंग्स दैट हम शायद क्वांटिफाई नहीं कर सकते हैं, थिंग्स जिसको शायद हम वर्ड्स में भी बयान नहीं कर सकते हैं, ऐसी ऐसी चीजें हमें इस बिजनेस में आने के बाद ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस मिली हैं. एंड आई एम श्योर आप जब वो आंसर दे रहे थे तो ऑडियंसेस वो खुशी आपके चेहरे पे देख पा रहे थे कि हाउ इट हैज एक्चुअली ब्रॉट आउट थिंग्स व्हिच वर ऑलरेडी विद इन यू, बट शायद इस बिजनेस ने आपको वो एक मौका दिया टू ब्रिंग आउट ऑल दोज थिंग्स जो नायला के अंदर पहले से थी. तो नायला, क्योंकि हम इस इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट पे बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो हम ये भी जानते हैं कि व्हेन मेनी ऑफ द पीपल हु speak with us, who are curious about our business, who want to become serious about this opportunity, उनमें से कई लोग, especially कई moms, because they share with us कि I don't think I have the backing of my family, या हो सकता है कि I have discussed this opportunity back home, but I'm not finding the support that I was hoping for. Yeah, my family feels this is not what I should be doing, but I really want to do it. तो वो एक काइंड ऑफ जगल हो जाती है उस पर्सन के लिए जो करना तो चाहते हैं, बट दे आर लाइक काइंड ऑफ नॉट एबल टू फाइंड दैट सपोर्ट सिस्टम. एंड सिर्फ इन एस्पेक्ट्स के चलते दे आर प्रोबेबली स्टिल सिटिंग ऑन द फेंस, wanting to do it, but not feeling confident enough to take that next step, even of that that initial explore करने का step भी नहीं ले पाते हैं, because they feel कि family की वो backing नहीं है, या मेरे पास कोई नहीं है जो मुझे support कर रहे हैं मेरे इस decision में. तो मैं चाहूंगी नायला कि आप एक मैसेज उनको जरूर दें कि व्हाट शुड दे बी डूइंग, हाउ कैन दे आल्सो स्टिल गो अहेड एंड मेक दैट वन स्मॉल स्टेप फॉर देमसेल्व्स. क्या वो मैसेज रहेगा उनके लिए?
I can just say that, like, when you get, because you are the one who explored it, you are the one who saw everything, and you know better. If you don't get support, I can understand the support is very important, but once you start it, you are easy to explain them also, and you will get that support. And the support, if you're not getting from the other side, there's so much support in our business too, first of all. And second thing, if you start, you explain them, you understand them, so it's automatically it's going to come. It's just because they don't know how you understand it. You cannot explain them how the good the business is, how nicely you understand. You cannot explain to them so that they can support you. So for them to support you, you have to first take that one step, what you say, where you're standing and thinking, okay, I can do it or no, without the stuff. Once you start it, the support will be coming. I can say that. Yeah.
Absolutely, Naila. Sometimes I think we also have to, understand कि सब चीजें कभी कभार perfect नहीं होती हैं, और उनमें से एक element हो सकता है कि that support that we are craving, शायद वो initially ना मिले, but if हम अपने ही own support system बन जाए ना उस छोटे से period के लिए, and we go ahead and take that step, and आप एक बार business के अंदर आते हैं, once you are a part of a community, जैसे नायला ने share किया, it's a big family. You'll have so many people welcoming you with open arms, and जैसे जैसे journey आपकी आगे बढ़ेगी, you will realize that जो support आप घर पे crave कर रहे थे, वो भी आपको मिल ही चुका होगा before you even realize. So it's just a matter of making that journey, right, Naila?
It's just a matter of the time that they understand and start supporting you. They will only start supporting you once you take that step. You will only understand. That is the only the thing, because we cannot explain everybody what is exactly things going around in the business till you come and explore it.
True.
Till you explore, you understand, they will also understand, and that support automatically, without you asking it, it will come automatically. I think that.
Absolutely, Naila. That I believe is a very strong, a very powerful message, and something which I'm sure a lot of audiences, will take back with them. And I'm sure कि जो hold back कर रहे हैं सिर्फ इस fear की वजह से that I haven't gotten all the yeses back home, they'll find that strength within, because जब आप कुछ करना चाहते हो तो you will find a way to make it happen.
Yeah,
so thank you, Naila. Yeah,
and every time it is not a check mark. Everywhere you will not get a yes mark for everything. There's something knows that, then also you have to just step forward with the yes. When you are inside, you are like, I have to do this, I can do this, this comes in your mind, then automatically it will happen.
Absolutely. That's such a lovely message to end this conversation on, Naila.